once the become a stroke, maybe a certain function was lost. But our brain have some possibility to recover their function, even though not actually move their hand, but just only imaging their hand movement. So we'd like to provide whether he or she can exactly imagine their hand movement or not by acquiring and analyzing the EEG waveform. So later maybe two students will present their research achievement. Okay, so this is still under consideration. So skip. Automatic spike and so this is related to the epilepsy, and I said around 2 years before there is a crazy Russian student in the doctoral course, and he carried out the development of the spike and wave. Spike and wave discharge is a very specific waveform appeared in the EEG for the epileptic patient. So he made effort to detect this waveform using his original algorithm. And this is Alfin's research topic, and he considered something new for this research topic. And finally, this is the Aliba's research topic. So I just said that we have many elderly person in Japan, and keeping their cognition function. What is good is exercise, not the direct training of the brain by, for example, reading the books or calculating something. Of course, some of such a kind of thing is exercise the brain plasticity. However, the exercise is very nice for keeping their cognition function. Okay, so これは何だい? This is previously carried out. So quality sleep evaluation or the alarm system using the LED light. So usually you get up by using the sound, right? Alarm. So, but this light system is, how to say, when we get the sunshine, we automatically get enough.
Yeah.
So this light system is based on such kinds of our mechanism. Okay, so these kinds of research topic I'd like to study in my laboratory, and several one is assigned to each subject. So this is our curriculum. So in the department in our department, especially for the computer science only. So very hard to see, and this rectangle representing the class. And これ何が言いたかったんだそう。The final project here か。
1, 2, 3, 4.
In the first year, so very fundamental studies, quite related to the mathematics, linear algebra, 微積って何ていうかなあります。
Differential calculus
or the logical circuit.
Electrical circuit.
No.
Logical.
Logical circuit. Or the physics.
Physics, okay.
Sorry, here the electrical circuit.
Okay.
So the fundamental study is opened in the first year. And then become a second year, we provide what? The complex function から vector analysis, Fourier analysis, information theory, algorithms, computer architecture, analog circuit, analog electronic circuit, and digital signal processing also, and begin the experiment in the second year. Not only doing something, but also how to summarize a report is also
Second year.
studied in the second year. And in the first year and the second year, very lot of required classes. And however, after becoming the third year, the required class is only for the English, especially in using in the engineering field, engineering English and exercise. And what is the difference from the second year exercise and third year exercise is, in the third year, we provided some tasks, and to carry out that, design is required. For example, in the fundamental experiment, we provide the topic. For example, to observe the Ohm's law by measuring the voltage or the current of the circuit. We know the final answer, right?
Yes.
Just follow. However, for the third year, just only provide the theme,
Okay.
or to create the automatic vending machine.
Okay.
How to create that is considered by yourself. Okay. This is the exercise for experiment in the third year. So doing such kind of things, we go to the final process. This is our curriculum. And here in the latter semester in the third year, we have only one our laboratory related class. But unfortunately, this is optional. So what is the bad for them is some students skipping this class and enter to my laboratory. Yes. And for the master's course, I have two classes. One is for the master's course, and one is for the doctoral course, and then the bioinformation engineering or the advanced brain or science. Sorry, this is my boss class. Yesterday you see that I provided some English materials and talking in Japanese for Japanese students. But for the international students, I prepared the individual class for them.
Okay.
Because in the first, my first year, I parallelly use Japanese and English in my class, but very hard. So I quit this kind of way. So focus on the only one language. So instead of that, especially for the international students, I provided a special class for them. And yesterday I told you, we Japan, especially in the faculty of engineering, taking a very specific management system of the laboratory. So for them, I'm the only boss. No other boss are there. For me, of course, no boss there, but no other staff there. So I have to manage everything by myself. But to manage smoothly, it is very important to the help of the master's course student or doctoral course student. However, my boss has some concept. What is that is one research topic for one student. So another laboratory, there has some research topic and some, for example, one master's course student and two bachelor's course students is assigned to the topics. So they can construct the pyramid for the one research topic. But different from them, and same with me, they have their own research topic, everything of that by myself. That's hard, very hard for them, especially for the bachelor's course students, quite hard, I think. But my boss and me think that what is important in the final project or the master's course project is they have to become a person who can do the PDCA circle, plan, do, action, and check. Because almost students become an engineer after graduate from the university. At that time, what is seen from their boss is whether they can move the PDCA cycle by myself. So before going to the company, just one sorry. もしもし。はい。あ、ごめんなさい、間違っておられます。はい、はい、はい。Wrong call. So this system is to watching their future, but that's hard. So this is a little bit old data, but how to say? 5 years before, this is the 5 years before, and spike and wave discharges, estimation drowsiness, progress HRV in the ICU, development of the health monitor chair, estimation drowsiness, using EOG and using the electrocardiogram and respiration, estimation sleep stage using ECG respiration, estimation quality of sleep using the PSG means the polysomnograph, acquiring all of the biosignals, and finally the development of the human health monitoring chair. But the difference is that he did develop the hardware and he developed the software. So as you can see, the one student has their own research topic. But you can easily understand that there are some very similar research topics out there. For example, the research topic is almost same. What is different is the treating signal is different. So they make a collaboration of the experiment, doing the measurement of the biosignals by these two students. Of course, they measure not only their own target signal. I mean that for this master course student, second student, measuring not only the EOG but also the ECG and respiration. Of course, this bachelor course student measuring ECG respiration and EOG. I mean, share the experiment and using their target signal after finishing the experiment. This is also estimation of quality of sleep, and this is estimation sleep stage. Slightly different, but they use the similar signals, so make a collaboration. Make a cooperation, sorry. The development of the health monitoring chair. What is different is only the hardware or the software, so they can make a cooperation. And here also making a cooperation because their treated signal is same. So the technique when analyzing is they can share. also here. None. Why? I forgot. Why this can make a corporation? I forgot. なんでだろう。忘れちゃった。Sorry, I forgot. Because 5 years before. And the important thing is doctoral students. Because they have the very superior knowledge or the technique, so they can make some advice to the master's school students. Also, these doctoral second year students, not managing, but every time conscious about this project with me. So using this kind of system, we make a management of a smooth management. At that time, I asked the student, how about this kind of system? So this is a crazy Russian set, quite interesting to see other student research, see the progress in this research, be able to discuss and recommend some program, solution, or a point on some possible problem. Oh, very nice comment. Arvin Sambo, currently in the Musrat, said he's studying about brainwave evoked by the visual stimulation and how to elicit the anyway, the brainwave study he's doing, but he always listens the other students' presentation. Most of learning activity tend to be done in the lab rather than in the classroom. Yes. So when I enrolled in my laboratory, firstly I told the students, please make comfortable, or that before enrollment of the laboratory, maybe you go to your class from your home. But from now means after enroll to the laboratory, you can go to the classroom from the laboratory. So you can bring everything. You can make a comfortable life in laboratory. So they bring the mahjong game.
Yeah.
Or the many manga comics there. And this is Faisal, my first international student and my first doctoral student now in the ETS. Good, especially for transferring knowledge between students. Yeah. So even though the different research topics, they can refer from the other student. And this is a Japanese student. However, he can say, he could say that quite nice. Because it is nice thing to do with anything. Of course, it is for studying and research, but also for the student life. Of course, the main aim of the laboratory is doing research. But I said, the part of their daily life. And yesterday we have a party. And not only the You're Welcome party, but also we have a very lot of party here. Or the other recreations, for example, the baseball games we have, soccer, and 運動会はなんつうかな、sports festival. Unfortunately, because of the typhoon, this year's sports festival was cancelled, but we have such kinds of events. So this is why we Japan have a laboratory and how to manage the laboratory, or what is the laboratory based education. All right. Finally, so I'd like to explain about the Kumamoto. Here, we are here. Honshu Island, Hokkaido Island, Shikoku Island, here is Fukuoka. Maybe that you visited the Izuka around here, very close to Kumamoto, but very far by the transportation, unfortunately. Anyway, the very southern west part of Japan we are located on. This is the large map of the Kumamoto prefecture, and we are here, Kumamoto city. Yeah, and maybe this is the Kumamoto prefecture's property area, population less than 2 million. And what is a very we have prefecture tree, prefecture flower, prefecture bird, and prefecture not a fish.